This is the Mazda RX7 FD, produced from 1992 until 2002 with a complete body and chassis and a spoiler. Here we have the spinning alternator and Wankel rotary engine attached with an alternator belt, spinning wheels at the back, differential, and seats. Here's the explosion of the chassis. At the front we have two steering knuckles attached with a track bar, a connecting rod to pitman arm to the steering column, and a steering wheel. On the rear, there's a solid rear axle with a differential attached that has motion created from the Wankel engine. Here we have the steering wheel that moves the wheels left to right accordingly. Here as we approach the rear of the car, we can view the engine, alternator, eccentric shaft, and gears moving together in unison to spin the back wheels. Now we can see the description of how the engine, alternator, intake, alternator belt, and spark plug are assembled together and move in unison. This is the Wankel 13B rotary engine. The engine is striking for its unique design as it uses an eccentric rotor. It consists of two rotors, front, rear, and side iron plates bolted together using advanced mates. The specific movement of the engine consists of certain mechanical mates and advanced mates. This is the alternator. It consists of aluminum housing and a copper wire coil pack that spins about a center shaft simulating a real alternator. This is attached directly to the Wankel engine via the alternator belt, and it moves along with it. The seats are made for racing purposes and constructed from foldable aluminum sheet metal. Each sheet consists of 6 foldable sheet metal parts. Here's the spark plug. It is small and intricate and consists of concentric mates. The forming tools we use are the custom-made license plate on the rear and custom hubcaps on the wheels, and finally initials on the alternator.